Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. आज की वीडियो is part 2 of the alternative ways of immigrating to Canada. अगर आपने part 1 नहीं देखा है, उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. So do check that out first.
जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था, वी हैव पार्टनर्ड विद एस लॉ फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज. एस लॉ, if you have not seen the first video, I would highly recommend that you see that. But they are highly accomplished and they have done so many business visas and startup visas. They are not just immigration consultants, but they are immigration lawyers.
After the video, if you want to get in touch with them, so there's a form and we have a specific link inside our CanGuide app as well. वहाँ पे भी आपको फॉर्म मिल जाएगा. Fill that form and they'll contact you.
तो आज की वीडियो में बात करेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने इसके बारे में पूछा है, एंड इट्स कॉल्ड स्टार्टअप वीज़ा. हाउ टू ओपन अ स्टार्टअप, हाउ टू मेक अ बिजनेस प्लान, हाउ टू गेट एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, व्हाट डज इट टेक टू हैव अ गुड एप्लीकेशन, a startup visa application. हम इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे with Shireen, Lavdeep, and this time we also have Shahrukh. So let's get started.
All right, so आज हमारे पास है Shireen, Lavdeep, and we also have Shahrukh, who is partners in Ace Law. And हमें लगा कि आज हम तीनों को एक फ्रेम में लाएंगे and we'll talk about startup visa. So thank you so much guys for joining. Shahrukh, thank you so much for coming on our channel. पहले हम बात करते हैं startup visa की. Why was it started? Why is it important? Canada immigration को क्यों ये वाला प्रोग्राम रिक्वायर्ड था? थोड़ी हिस्ट्री बता दो थोड़ा सा.
Thank you so much Navjot for having us all three in one frame. It's been long कि हम तीनों ने इकट्ठे को वीडियो बनाई हो. And well, startup ऐसे शुरू हुआ था back in 2013, Canadian government, and everyone wanted that Canada should provide an ecosystem for all the startups that are existing in the world, and to bring them in Canada and to bring innovation and provide such ecosystem so that they can they are here to stay and they help in contributing to the economy of Canada. अब ऐसे it was started as a pilot program, but after 2017 it was made permanent. So abhi tak this program is here, and recently immigration minister also tweeted that this program is here to stay for a long time.
That's good.
It is a very promising program. It is a route to direct permanent residency also.
Got it. तो थोड़ा eligibility के बारे में बात करते हैं. Shahrukh, if you can just let us know what the eligibility is, who can apply for this?
So, thank you, Navjot. Actually, this program is very unique when it comes to eligibility requirements. Normally, people with the smart ideas or people who have been lot of business experience who can run business does not fall within traditional immigration programs. So, उसमें क्या होता है कि आप कहीं से एज पे मार खा जाते हो, कहीं पर आपकी education is a problem, कहीं पर आपका English language is a problem. So, when immigration sit together, they discuss कि when we're discussing with entrepreneurship immigration, तो हमें labor नहीं चाहिए. We need people with the smart ideas, people who can generate business, who can generate revenue, who can create jobs. तो उन्होंने उसके लिए क्या किया कि लेट्स सी कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जो यूजुअली इस कैलिबर के लोगों को हर्ट करते हैं एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू अवेल इक्वल इमिग्रेशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज. एंड दे सेड ओके, यू नीड टू मीट वन कंडीशन दैट यू शुड हैव अ सुपर्ब idea should be vetted by either an incubator, supported by angel investor, or supported by venture capitalists. If your idea is of that level and you think you can do the immigration, then rest is so easy. It's so smooth. Earlier, they would say that, okay, so English language, like, people who are coming from overseas, obviously not expert in that. And they having many successful businessmen, in your life. And I know myself, जिन्होंने billions generate किए, they have empires, they never need to speak English. So उन्होंने कभी English बोली नहीं, उनको English चाहिए नहीं, and they never do. Very first thing that they did, let's scrap this thing and come to the basic. But they come up with the idea कि चले बंदा इतना हो यहाँ पर आके अपनी basic communication करे, अपने manager से बात कर ले, and then he can move forward. So English language, they put CLB level 5. It's so basic. I mean, when you hear CLB level 5, it looks so challenging. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया? Education. They said, we need idea, we need smart people, but we don't need any kind of experience as smart education, like you should have a master's, PhD, no. Initially, they come up with the 12th grade. You should have at least 12th grade to move on. But in certain cases in now, even if you don't have a 12th grade, you are still eligible if you meet certain criteria according to that. So education is not a factor you need to worry. IELTS is not a factor you need to worry. And probably up to the age of 60, you can apply for the PR. Wow. So it's kind of everything is included in one package. there are certain ways where experience may not matter if you have a very smart idea, but I encourage people to have a basic managerial experience, because tomorrow when you're coming to Canada, the essential partner of the business, and Shireen will let you know later what is essential and what is not essential, because these terms are very key when you are starting the process. And regardless you come to us or go to anyone else, you should ask them, will I be the essential partner of the business or not? So if you want to be the essential part, which means you want to come early as compared to the given time frame, so सिचुएशन में आपके पास एटलीस्ट 2 साल का मैनेजरियल एक्सपीरियंस हो, देन बेटर चांसेस फॉर टू गो थ्रू दैट प्रोसेस. सो ये बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. यस, ऑब्वियसली स्मार्ट आइडिया, एंड श्रीनी इज हियर टू डिस्कस द स्मार्ट आइडियाज एंड द एसेंशियल थिंग्स विद यू.
तो बेसिकली बिजनेस को ऊपर रखा जाता है अबव एवरीथिंग एल्स. आपको आके जॉब्स क्रिएट करनी है, अगर आप वो कर सकते हो एक स्मार्ट आइडिया के साथ, देन यू विल बी प्रेफर्ड. सो वो तो समझ आ गया. बट ये आइडिया है मेरे पास, बहुत बढ़िया आइडिया है, मैं इस ग्लास के ऊपर हीरे मोती लगा के कर दूंगा, मतलब व्हाटएवर द आइडिया इज, राइट? सो लाइक इज दैट इनफ? लाइक मेरे पास आइडिया है, इज दैट इनफ, या there's some execution that is required, there's something else which is required for me to apply for this?
So basically क्या होता है नवजोत, idea can be mentally in your head and it's not enough, because obviously you have nothing. ऐसे तो हर किसी के पास idea होंगे, limited designated entities हैं, किस किस को support करेंगे, right? So designated entities के अपने अपने criterias हैं, like दो incubator जो होगा वो idea से अलग prototype वाली stage तक आपको help कर देंगे, but जो angel investors होंगे या venture capitalists होंगे, they would want an company which is active and running and already looking at some investments in other parts of the world. Obviously, a prerequisite is also your company should be incorporated in Canada. Only then can you apply for all these, for IRCC under this program. So, merely idea in your head is not enough. But if you have something more, then we assess your file. We look into case-to-case basis कि किस stage पे आपका idea. अगर आपका idea में कोई software है, AI है, कुछ है, so we will see कि वो क्या है. That's a technical aspect to it.
ठीक है, समझ गए. तो मतलब टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट भी इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, एंड इट हैज टू बी एग्जीक्यूटेबल, द आइडिया.
100%.
मेरे को इसका थोड़ा सा ये बताओ कि लाइक फ्रॉम अ सक्सेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इसका अब बहुत सुनने में आता है कि LMIs और ये सब रिजेक्शंस बहुत होते हैं. दिस इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, इट्स नॉट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड लॉयर्स टू डू दिस. सो व्हाट्स द सक्सेस रेट लाइक? जो लोग अप्लाई करते हैं सबका हो जाता है?
अच्छा, इसमें मैं आपको एक छोटी सी एग्जांपल देती हूँ. इस स्टार्टअप वीजा के 2 कोर स्टेप्स हैं. फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग हमने एक चीज को बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना है. एक स्टेप जो आपका फर्स्ट हर्डल आपका लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट है. सेकेंड जो आपकी हर्डल है वो IRCC है. Merely letter of support is also not enough for immigration to give you PR. When immigration has to give you PR, they will not just look into your whole business, the whole this thing, and they will also look into the genuineness of this company.
Sorry, Shireen. Letter of support is something that you get from the incubator and the
designated
organization.
So letter of support वहां से आ गया. उसके बाद you are saying the letter of support is not enough. ठीक है.
ठीक है. लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट इज नॉट मेरिली इनफ, बिकॉज अगर आपके लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट, देखो लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट तो डेजिग्नेटेड एंटिटी ने दे दिया आपको, राइट? आपका सब कुछ हो गया, आपका वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट या जो भी जिसने भी आपको देना था, दे वैलिडेटेड योर आइडिया. नाउ immigration has to be convinced by the fact that this whole business is genuine. This whole business is matching to your expertise and your experience in the past. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप चीफ टेक्निकल ऑफिसर बन जाओ with a bachelor's degree. You need to show some kind of, maybe some kind of technological experience. Then only you can be a CTO in a company. So this whole आपको process of validation of your experience, skills, background is looked by us, especially the clients we deal with. हम बहुत carefully ये चीज करते हैं कि हम step 1 से उनको क्लियर करते हैं कि किस टाइप का प्रोफाइल किस टाइप के स्टार्टअप के लिए सूट करता है, किस टाइप का इंक्यूबेटर, एंजल इन्वेस्टर इसको ठीक रखता है. सो दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ स्टेप व्हिच यू हैव टू बी कॉशियस फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. दैट डिलिजेंस स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम डे 1.
ठीक है. एंड इसमें डू यू नीड अ टीम, लाइक कि एक बंदा भी कर सकता है? हाउ डज दैट वर्क?
Okay, so one startup can have 5 founders.
Okay. तो इसमें वर्क परमिट का कैसे होता है? वर्क परमिट पहले मिलेगा, सबको मिलेगा? जैसे 3 या 4 या 5 लोग, जितने भी लोग इकट्ठे स्टार्टअप बना रहे हैं, everyone will get a work permit and then a PR, or how does that work?
Well, Navjot, इसमें क्या होता है? Someone who's an essential founder. So if Shireen has said like कि भाई 5 founder तक हो सकते हैं एक startup में. So someone who's an essential founder and someone who's required to run the startup initially, I mean, उसको propel करना startup को वहाँ पे आके, तो उसको हम short term work permit दिलाते हैं. उसको short term work permit, he is eligible for short term work permit, provided that he goes there and does his job well. And he is able to handle all the interviews if there is any interview by the immigration department. अगर कुछ ऐसा है तो he can get a short-term work permit. Rest can follow later with the direct permanent residency.
अच्छा, that's good.
Yeah.
तो अब मेरे को बताओ थोड़ा सा इस वीजा में बहुत इजी लग रहा है जैसे शाहरुख बोल रहे थे, बट इतना इजी तो होगा नहीं, तो कुछ तो रीजंस होंगे रिजेक्शन के भी. सो व्हाट आर दोस फैक्टर्स दैट कैन लीड टू रिजेक्शन इन दिस?
Rightly said, Navjot, every immigration program has a different lens to it. Immigration officer who's sitting there, this is in fact उस दिन में हमको internal information जब मिलती है तो हम check करते हैं, तो उसमें था कि officers have specifically said कि COVID में जो startup visa का delay भी आया था बीच में last year, जो file delay था, was because this work is very research intensive. And when it is research intensive, that means they are looking at every documentation. They can call you randomly and ask you about your startup, so you have to be prepared from the beginning. In terms of this thing, in terms of fraud, obviously besides जो immigration के admissibility issues हैं, misrep है, police clearance और criminality, medical, सारी उनके अलावा अगर आप reason of rejection going by Supreme Court judgments and आप वो check करें तो उसमें ये reason आता है कि where they feel that you came in as an essential worker, one of the judgments stated where you came in as an essential worker, did nothing towards the startup, and then because of that, when the immigration was about to give PR, they asked the essential person, what have you done, and you had nothing to present. So like Shahrukh explained कि essential worker का essence क्या है और उसको क्या क्या वो कर सकते हैं और क्या क्या करना चाहिए, तो वो आपने obviously अगर करना है तो ही आप अपने आप को essential mark करो from the beginning in the business. Second reason of rejection, like अभी सक्सेस रेट अगर डेटा के हिसाब से जाएं इमिग्रेशन का, इंडिया का 79% है, ईरान का 71% है, थर्ड चाइना का है, बिकॉज यहाँ से ऑब्वियसली एप्लीकेंट्स भी सबसे ज्यादा है. बट इनमें जो थोड़ा बहुत रिजेक्शन रहता है, इट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज दे नीड टू चेक अगेन, एज आई सेड, द जेन्युइननेस ऑफ द होल प्रोफाइल ऑफ योर्स, द जेन्युइननेस ऑफ द बिजनेस. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रॉड इन दिस मार्केट एंड आई थिंक वी विल डिस्कस ऑन दैट एज वेल.
Got it. तो fraud के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. तो what kind of fraud do you see happening? Because this requires money, right? And where there's money, there's fraud. मेरे simple सी ये रही है. तो what is it that the viewers or people who are looking at this program should be worried about?
Navjot, when you say there is money, there is fraud. I say where there's money, there is immigration and there is fraud also. So immigration fraud तो पक्का उसके साथ आ ही जाता थोड़ा बहुत. So recently, I'll give you an example. Recently, we received a call कि हमें इंडिया से कॉल आई कि I have a letter of support, redacted letter of support, and the agent or whoever was involved is asking for more money. वो 13 लाख रुपए में लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट की कोई गारंटी हुई होगी कि 13 लाख रुपए में देखो लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट दूंगा. सो 13 लाख रुपए में लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट मिलेगी. 6 लाख रुपए बंदा वो एडवांस दे चुका था, एंड द एजेंट इन्वॉल्व वाज डिमांडिंग 7 लाख रुपीस मोर as the final payment with redacted letter of support. उसने दे दी उसको. तो हमें फोन आया कि भाई ये एजेंट ऐसे पैसे मांग रहा है and I am ready to pay but I need to know the genuineness of the letter of support. So we asked him, हमने कहा letter of support है, उसके ऊपर नंबर लिखा हुआ है, just call the designated organization from where this letter of support has come. तो उस बंदे ने वहां पे कॉल किया and he got to know that the letter of support was fake. So ये letter of support जो word है ना, it is very easy to sell in the market. एंड हर बंदा यहाँ पे लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट के बहाने स्टार्टअप वीजा बेच रहा है कि लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट में दिला दूंगा. Whereas it is not, first of all, it is there are a lot of fake letter of supports. Secondly, it is not conclusive that you will get, you will achieve your immigration goal as well.
And for the same client, then we checked, actually, we said, who is your agent? And there was a company, have a good branded website and all those things. And when we checked that address, it was address of some kind of forest in New Brunswick.
Oh wow!
There was a location. It was a forest address, so there's some kind of postal code. Which is nothing around for the 50 kilometers, and that's how. I mean, people living outside Canada, how can they figure it out?
होता क्या है ना, मैं शाहरुख बताऊं इसमें क्या होता है कि लोग ना पैसे कम खर्च करने के चक्कर में फंस जाते हैं, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. बट आई थिंक द थिंग दैट वी नीड टू रियली टेक केयर ऑफ इज कि पैसे कम खर्च करने से वो वेस्ट भी हो सकते हैं. पैसे जितने हैं जायज उतने खर्च करो, do it the right way. It's a life decision, and I truly believe that this is a life decision. That's why we are doing this with you guys and not, you know, with people who are selling it cheap or, you know, जो भी कर रहे हैं वो. So definitely, you know, I think सस्ते के पीछे मत भागो, quality के पीछे भागो.
And first thing, everyone should confirm that with whom I'm dealing, who is he. If he's not a lawyer or at least he's not immigration consultant for the least, you shouldn't deal it directly without anyone else. Everyone else has no guarantee, no professional background. I don't know if someone is doing, maybe he's been good for that matters. But if a lawyer nahi hai, या at least immigration consultant nahi hai.
Absolutely.
Don't deal with that.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This was very, very insightful. I'm pretty sure that people will be reaching out to you for more information on this. So, you know, have your phones with you. So, thank you so much, guys. And we'll meet you in the third video now of this series. We'll talk about work permit wale jo visas hai. Thank you.
That's all we have for today. अगर आपको वीडियो बढ़िया लगी तो प्लीज लाइक करके जाना एंड डू शेयर दिस वीडियो. आई नो दैट दिस कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, सो डू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद पीपल, यू नो, योर फैमिलीज, योर फ्रेंड्स हु कैन बी हेल्प्ड एंड दे विल हैव मोर ऑप्शंस टू इमिग्रेट टू कनाडा.
मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.
बाय बाय.